Click on the link below to get price. The Osee GoStream Duet Kit is an impressive all-in-one solution for live streaming that caters to both amateur and professional content creators. Packed with features, this kit simplifies the multi-camera streaming process, allowing users to produce high-quality broadcasts without the need for extensive technical knowledge. One of the standout features of the GoStream Duet Kit is its dual camera capability, which permits seamless switching between two video sources. This versatility is especially beneficial for creators who want to engage their audience with dynamic visuals, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The kit supports various input formats, making it adaptable for different types of cameras and setups. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, which is crucial for live productions where every second counts. The included touchscreen display is responsive and easy to navigate, allowing users to manage settings, transitions, and effects effortlessly. This means that even those new to live streaming can quickly get the hang of the controls and focus on delivering compelling content. Audio quality is a critical aspect of any live stream, and the GoStream Duet Kit does not disappoint. With built-in audio mixing capabilities, users can connect external microphones and achieve a professional sound quality that significantly elevates the production value. The ability to adjust audio levels on the fly ensures that your stream remains engaging and clear. Moreover, the kit is designed for portability, making it an excellent choice for on-the-go streaming. Whether you're at an event, in a studio, or outdoors, the lightweight and compact design allows for easy transport without sacrificing performance. In terms of connectivity, the GoStream Duet Kit supports Wi-Fi and Ethernet, ensuring that you can maintain a stable connection, crucial for uninterrupted streaming. Overall, the Osee GoStream Duet Kit All-in-One Pro Live Streaming Multi-Camera Video is a versatile, user-friendly, and high-quality solution that meets the needs of today's content creators, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about live streaming.